It's no secret that location is important for businesses. After all, it can impact things like foot traffic, rent, and even the type of customers you attract. But with so many factors to consider, how do you go about finding the best location for your business? In this video, we'll explore some tips and tricks for finding the perfect spot for your business. Number 1. Look at your target market. You need to consider what type of business you have and what type of access your target market will need to your business. For example, if you have an office-based business, being close to public transportation may be more important. Number 2. Consider your competition. It's also important to take a look at your competition and see where they're located. If they're all clustered in one area, it may be difficult to stand out from the crowd. However, if you choose a location that's less saturated with businesses like yours, you may have an easier time attracting customers. Number 3. Evaluate the costs. It's important to do your research and find out what the cost of doing business is like in the areas you're considering. Are there any special taxes or fees that a business have to pay in that location? What is the cost of office space or commercial real estate? Number 4. Think about logistics. The availability of transportation and infrastructure can be a major deciding factor in where to locate your business. For example, if your business relies heavily on shipments from the suppliers or customers, you'll want to choose a location that has good access to highways or railroads. Number 5. Consider your company culture. Creating a good company culture starts with defining what kind of environment you want for your employees and customers. Do you want a fun and relaxed atmosphere or a more professional and buttoned-up culture? Number 6. Consider the long term when choosing a location for your business. Consider factors such as the size of the space, the surrounding area, and the availability of resources. If you can find a location that meets all your needs, you'll be in good position to grow your business over time. 7. Find a location that is convenient for your customers and employees. You don't want your customers to have to travel too far out of their way to reach you, but you also don't want your employees to be stuck in traffic or unable to find parking. Number 8. Make sure you can afford the rent or mortgage. Otherwise, you could end up in a tough financial situation that could jeopardize the future of your business. Number 9. Conduct market research to determine demand for your product or service in the area. Before you open a business, it's important to determine if there's demand for your product or service in the area you're considering. And number 10. Make sure you have the necessary permits and licenses for your chosen location.